As the presence of robots, self-driving cars, and other AI-powered devices become common in today's society, it is no surprise that militaries around the world are taking advantage of these technologies. The first major benefits of these weapon systems would be reducing the human presence in a combat environment. Laws would be able to take over the dangerous combat roles such as clearing minefields, fighting as infantry, clearing chemical environments, and other combat occupations where human casualties are prominent. With robotic soldiers in these positions, we would be able to drastically reduce the number of casualties to the members of the U.S. Armed Forces. Not only would these laws be able to save lives, lethal autonomous weapon systems have enhanced targeting systems that would be able to see through the fog of war, more clearly identifying the differences between civilians and enemy combatants. Lives would not be the only thing that laws would save. These weapon systems would reduce the cost of combat operations. In 2013, the annual deployment cost of one soldier in Afghanistan approached $850,000, whereas the deployment cost of a Talon robot to support ground forces was just $230,000. This saves the taxpayer $520,000 per soldier, allowing us to do more with less. The strongest argument to increase our research and development of laws, however, is that falling behind would imperil the U.S. in two critical ways. First, technological advances means that AI-powered weapons will be able to perform routine tasks faster and more efficiently than human operators can. Imagine a U.S. fighter pilot confronting a Hunter unmanned aerial vehicle recently deployed by the Russians. AI-powered weapons have greater targeting accuracy, faster reaction times, and, because they can withstand G-force, increased ability to perform aerial maneuvers. Second, if we fail to further develop these weapons, we risk losing the AI arms race to China and Russia, both of which are actively seeking a global dominance with lethal autonomous weapons. Russia's leader, Vladimir Putin, recognizes what is at stake. He said, "Whoever becomes the leader in this sphere will become the ruler of the world. If leaked budgets are accurate, then Russian spending for AI research and development is nearly doubling in the next 3 years." General Gerasimov, chief of the general staff of the Russian forces, has publicly stated that Russia is seeking to completely autonomize the battlefield. More concerning, however, is China's massive AI-related R&D spending. It plans to invest roughly $21.7 billion by 2020 in order to dominate the international competition and attain world-leading levels of AI investment by 2030. While the Department of Defense has dedicated $18 billion over the 4-year period ending in 2020 and has a budget of $9.6 billion for 2020, represents a significant investment to prepare the U.S. for cyber warfare. Yet we still lag behind China's spending. The U.S., which has led the world in development of drones and other human-assisted weapon systems, risks falling behind. In addition, some of this R&D investment will be recovered in income resulting from future sales of weapon systems to our allies.